ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाक्य बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 663. The final mantra of the 5th chapter. टीका लास्ट लाइन हरि शब्दस्य इंद्रियेषु प्रवृत्तौ निमित्तम आह. हरि शब्द is referring to indriya. Why Bhagavan Bhashyakar took Hari Shabda as Indriya? Nimittam is given in Bhashya. Haranat Indriyani. Harayo Haranat Indriyani. Last line. Shata. How many are there? Shata. Shatani. Shata. Shatani is the Shabda. Shata is where Sup Pratyaya Lopa has taken place. This sutra is Purva Shavarna A छे या डाड्या या जाल. आ सु सुपाम सुलुक पूर्व सवर्ण आ छे या डाड्या या. What happens is the sup pratyas lopa is there. Number I don't know. 7139. शतानी प्राणी भेद बाहुल्यात् शतानी दश च भवन्ति. प्राणी भेद बाहुल्यात् they are 10, 100, 1000, etc. टीका प्रतीचो विषयान प्रतीति शेषः. प्रतीचो विषयान प्रतीति शेषः. इंद्रिय बाहुल्ये हेतुमाह प्राणी. प्राणी बाहुल्यात्. There are varieties of jivas, varieties of indriyas, and that too, they all functioning differently. Like our eyes will function differently compared to dog's eyes, compared to the bird which flies high. There, everybody's indriyas are functioning different. टीका इंद्रिय विषय बाहुल्यात् प्रत्यगात्मा बहुरूप इति शेषः. प्रत्यगात्मा means जीवात्मा, not atma. इंद्रिय विषय बाहुल्यात्. Indriyascha Vishayascha, both Bahulya is there. Indriyas are also varieties because of the varieties in Vishaya, or Vishaya may be same, but the Jiva who has them, they have variety. Vishesha. What you and I can hear and what dogs can hear, what they can smell is different, even though same thing is there. So Vishaya doesn't change, but Indriya has variety because of the Jiva through which it is expressing. So, how we use this jnanam? Somebody has something extraordinary. Let's say you don't have. I alone, Paramatma, appearing through so many jivas. One of the jiva, I as that jiva, has some vishesha jnanam, vidvan. Very good. What is there? Somebody has ability to remain in maunam longer. Somebody doesn't have ability to remain in maunam. Somebody has ability to remain in maunam when it is not needed. And when they are not supposed to talk, then they cannot remain in mauna. So they all varieties are there. Somebody should talk, somebody should not talk. इति हि ननु आत्मानं प्रकाशयितुम् इन्द्रियाणि प्रवृत्तानि न तु रूपादिकम् एव तत्कथं तद् विषयवशाद् आत्मनो अन्यथा प्रथा इति आशंक्य आह. Indriyani, their job is to reveal Atma. Somebody is asking, not Rupadikam. Tat katham tad Vishaya Vashad Atmano Anyatha Pratha. Because of the Vishaya, the Atmano Anyatha means Bahutva. 16 number tippani. इति आशंक विषय बाहुल्याद आत्मनो बहुरूपत्वम वदता सिद्धांतिना आत्म बाहुल्याद आत्मनो बहुरूपत्वम अर्थाद उक्तम. Means, are you accepting that there are many atmas? So he says no. भाष्य तस्माद् इंद्रिय विषय बाहुल्याद तत्तत् प्रकाशनाय एव युक्तानि तानि न आत्म प्रकाशनाय. A variety is not because of atma prakashanam. Variety is because of Vishaya Prakashanam. Vishaya has variety, their Prakashanam requires variety in sense organs. Or it is the Vishesha if of that Sharira. That Yoni has some speciality. Like fish can be inside water all the time and live. We can be outside the water all the time and live. This is Vishesha of ours. We go there, we cannot live. They come out, they cannot live. परांचिखानि व्यतरण स्वयंभू इति ही काठके. This quotation is for, this is to show Indriyani are not for Atma Prakashanam. Tasma in Tika Tasmad Indriya Vishaya Bahulyat iti atra uktam upasamharati. So what he said, Indriya Vishaya Bahulyat, that he concludes Tasmad Taireva Vishaya Swarupair iyate na prajnan ghanaika rasena swarupena. Taihi eva Vishaya Swarupaihi iyate. So by Vishaya Swarupa, there iyate. Iyate comes from where? Indra Mayabhihi Pururupa iyate. So that iyate is because of the Vishaya Swarupa, not because of Prajnana Ghana Ekarasa Kutasa Atma. Tika Yadva Yathokta Shruti Vashena Labdham Artham Aha. Yathokta Shruti Vashena Labdham Artham Tasmat Taireva Vishaya Swarupair iyate. यस्माद् इंद्रियाणि पराग विषये प्रवृत्तानि तस्मात् तैर इंद्रियैर विषय स्वरूपैः एव अयं प्रत्यगात्मा गम्यते न तु स्व असाधारणेन रूपेण इत्यर्थः. यस्माद् इंद्रियाणि पराग विषये प्रवृत्तानि, इंद्रियाज आर पराग विषये प्रवृत्तानि, तस्मात् तैर इंद्रियैर विषय स्वरूपैः एव. The Indriyas are for external objects, therefore by Indriya only Vishaya Prakashanam happens. Vishaya Swarupaihi eva ayam pratyagatma gamyate. Means Paramatma is known through sense organs. Because it was said why Paramatma became so many, so that others would know that Paramatma. Yesterday we saw. So then the question is, oh, that means in Vishaya Swarup also Paramatma is there. So we say yes. Vishaya Rupena Paramatma is revealed by Indriya. But Swasadharanena Rupena Paramatma is not revealed by Indriya. This is another way of saying. Yukta hi iti sambandham ashritya shankate. Yukta hi in the mantra, Yukta hi asya harayah, etc., etc. is given. एवं तर्हि अयम अन्यः परमेश्वरो अन्ये हरय इति एवं प्राप्त उच्यते. Then that means indriyas are different, Paramatma is different. This is what is your pratipadanam. एवं प्राप्ते उच्यते. टीका अयम इत्यादि वाक्येन परिहरति. अयम वै हरयो, अयम वै दश च सहस्राणि बहूनि च अनंतानि च प्राणिभेदस्य अनंत्यात्. अयम परमात्मा alone is indriyas. This is 10, this is 100, 1,000, this is many, this is infinite. This Paramatma alone is all these indriyas. टीका तत्तद इंद्रियादि रूपेण आत्मनः एव अविद्यया भानात् संबंधस्य च कल्पितत्वात् न अद्वैत हानिरित्यर्थः. तत्तद इंद्रियादि रूपेण आत्मा, आत्मा alone, आत्मनः एव अविद्यया, because of the avidya, Atma alone is appearing as all these indriyas many. Either you say avidya or earlier it was said maya. Sambandhasya cha kalpitatvat. And this sambandha between deha, indriya, then with them vishaya, all of this is kalpita. Na advaita hani. Therefore, there is no advaita hani. Advaita is still there. In other words, in this mantra, Vivartavada is also explained. Paramatma became all, and yet Paramatma is one. Therefore, there is no Parinami Upadanam. Paramatma is Vivarta Upadanam. Indriya Anantya Hetumaha Prani Bhedasya Anantya. Because Prani Bhedas are there. Vakyartha Vyakhyanartham Itham Gatena Sandarbhena Bhumikam Arachaya Tatparam Vakyam Avatarya Vyakaroti. Vakyartha Vyakhyanartham, for the exposition of the mantra, Itham Gatena Sandarbhena Bhumikam Arachaya, having created the Bhumika, the background of this Arachaya, Tatparam Vakyam Avatarya Vyakaroti. Arachaya means having done the Rachana, Arachaya. Tatparam Vakyam Avatarya Vyakaroti. Kim Bahuna. Now conclusion. Kim Bahuna Tadetad Brahma Ya Atma. This Brahma is Atma. Apurvam means don't think Brahma is somewhere. I am here, I am going through so many things, etc., etc. You are Brahma. But I don't feel like I am Brahma. I may feel I am Brahma. This person is definitely not Brahma. That means you have to work on yourself, not on that person. That person is Brahma. Whether you like it or not, whether you understand it or not, it is your problem. You have to understand everything is Brahma and everything is you. Tadetad Brahma ya Atma apurvam na asya karanam purvam vidyate iti apurvam. Na asya aparam karyam vidyate iti anaparam. Nasya jatyantaram antarale vidyate iti anantaram. Na antaram anantaram. Antaram means jatyantaram. There is no other jati. Nissamanyam. Jati is not there. Tatha bahirasya na vidyate iti abahyam. Nothing is outside of it. Kim punas tan nirantaram Brahma ayam Atma. That nirantar Brahma is who I am. See, beautiful Mahavakya Upadesha is elaborated here. So in Upanishads, they will not say that which lakshana you have to use, bhagatyaga, this, that. Here directly it is given, this I am Atma Brahma. Which way you understand, that Prakarana Grantha will explain. टीका न केवलम अध्याय द्वयस्य एव अर्थो अत्र संक्षिप्य उपसंहृतः किंतु सर्व वेदांतानाम इत्यादि. This is not only the meaning of these two chapters. This is the meaning of all Vedanta. See, studying two chapters and you get the benefit of all Vedanta Adhyana. Where you will get this? In Bhashya, ko asau yah pratyagatma. Who is this pratyagatma? Drashta, Shrota, Manta, Bodha, Vijnata, Sarvanubhuhu. Sarvatmana Sarvam Anubhavati iti Sarvanubhuhu iti etad anushasanam Sarva Vedantopadesha. This is the Sarva Vedantopadesha. What? That this Pratyagatma itself is now Drashta, Shrota, Manta, Bodha, Vijnata, etc. A experiencer of all, illuminator of all, both. Really speaking, illuminator. With Upadhi, experiencer. Sarvatmana Sarvam Anubhavati iti Sarvanubhuhu. This is Anushasanam Sarva Vedantopadesha. Eshaha Sarva Vedantanam Upasamhrito Artha. This is the concluding meaning of all the Vedanta. Upasamhrita means Upasamhara is there. Etad Amritam Abhayam. And this is Amritam Abhayam. Tika Tasya Ubhay Vidha Purushartha Rupatvam Aha. So it will give you immortality and it will also give you fearlessness. I did not get fearlessness yet. I am afraid of something, someone. Or I don't feel I am immortal yet. I have Mrityu Bhayam, etc. Keep working. You continue Shravanam, what else? Now, don't you have anything more to say? No. Vaktavyantara parishesha shankam pariharati. Acharya says there is nothing more to say. Pariharati shankam parisamaptasya shastrartha. Shastrartha is complete. Iti Brahadaranya Dvitiyadhyaya se Panchamam Brahmana. Fifth Brahmana is Brahmanam ne Brahmanam. Tika Brahma Vidyam Sankshepa Vistarabhyam Pratipadya. Vamsha Brahmana Tatparyam Aha. Next Brahmana is called Vamsha Brahmana. So Brahma Vidya has been given in brief as well as Vistara. Sankshepa Vistarabhyam. 10 number Tippani. Atmetyoupasita Sutra. And this entire second chapter is Vistara. Is Vistara. Sankshepa Vistarabhyam. अथ इदानीं ब्रह्म विद्यार्थस्य मधुकांडस्य वंशस्तुत्यर्थो ब्रह्म विद्यायाः. Now ब्रह्म विद्यार्थस्य मधुकांडस्य, this madhukanda means both chapters. Madhukandasya vamshastutyartho. So how do we know, this is madhukanda, this is munikanda? Bhashyakara has mentioned in Bhashya. That is how we know. Vamsha. So now who taught Madhu Vidya, to whom, then to whom, etc. Mantraschayam Swadhyayartho Japarthascha. This, what is in the next, this Brahmana is for Swadhyaya. Means you study on your own and you do japa. Tika Mahajana Parigrihita Hi Brahma Vidya Tena Sa Mahabhagadeya Iti Stuti. What is the stuti of Brahma Vidya here? Great people like Brahmaji had imparted this or taught this. That's why this is Mahabhagadeya. Mahabhagadeya, 4 number Tippani. Bhagadeyam Matam Bhagye bhaga pratyayo puman iti. Means those who are very fortunate. Bhagya, what we say, आपका भाग्य है, that is bhagadeya. Bhagadeyam matam bhagye, in bhagya. Like in olden days, probably you might have heard, the husband would call wife as bhagyavan. That bhagyavan, they started saying bhagavan. Ariyo bhagavan, like that they will say. Means you are so fortunate you found someone like me. That is the bhagya. But real bhagya is Brahma Vidya. Because Mahabhagya, other bhagya is some small, but this is Mahabhagya. Brahmanasya Arthantaram Aha. Mantra, this mantra is for Swadhyaya and Japa. What is Swadhyaya? Swadhyaya Swadhina Ucharana Kshamatve Sati Adhyapanam. Japastu Pratyahama Vrittihi iti bheda. Japastu Prati Ahama Vrittihi iti bheda. Swadhyaya is Swa Adhina Ucharana Kshamatva. And Adhyapanam, you develop the skill of reciting and then you do on your own practice. This is called Swadhyaya. Actually, everywhere in Veda, if the Swadhyaya Shabda comes in the context of Purva Kanda, Purva Mimamsa, this Swadhyaya has to do with Veda Parayana. Or mostly Parayana, like here. Swadhina Ucharana Kshamatva and Adhyapana. Japa is Pratyaham Avrittihi. On one's own, one will do recitation. This is japa. Like when we did say Swadhyaya Pravachanabhyam na Pramaditavyam. So there the instruction is for the one who has studied Veda, who has done Karma. So that person is told, don't neglect or don't be negligent in Swadhyaya and Pravachana. So there Swadhyaya and Pravachana actually would refer to Swashakha Adhyanam, Veda Adhyanam, and imparting it to somebody, or you practice on your own enough. But we generally say Swadhyaya Pravachan means Swasya Atmana Adhyanam. Swadhyaya Pravachan means giving Pravachan. But because it comes in Shikshavalli, because before the graduation of the Brahmana or the Vidyarthi who has gone to Gurukula for Veda Adhyana. So there Swadhyaya Pravachana should not mean this Swadhyaya as Atma Dhyanam and etc. Pravachanam. Loosely, sometimes it is given that way. Yathokta Nitya Brahmana Arambhe Sthite Vamsha Shabdartham. Similarly, okay, that's enough. Yathokta Nitya Brahmana Arambhe Sthite Vamsha Shabdartham. With the same line, Yathokta Nitya means in the same way, Brahmana Arambhe Sthite Vamsha Shabdartham is given. What is Vamsha? Tatra Vamsha iva Vamsho. Yatha Venur Vamshaha Parvanaha Parvano hi Vidyate. Vamsha means like in a bamboo, the parvas is there, right? So from here to here, from here to here, one to next. Like that, this is the Vamsha. Parvanaha Parvano Vidyate. Parva means Granthi third Tippani, Granthi Dvaya Madhyavarti Bhaga is called Parva. Like in Mahabharata, they are called Bhishma Parva, Drona Parva, Karna Parva, ityadi, ityadi. Virat Parva, Vana Parva is very long. Stri Parva, all the crying, complaining and cursing युधिष्ठिर स्त्री पर्व। तदेव स्फुटयति। टीका। शिष्यावसान उपलक्षणीभूत उपलक्षणीभूतात् पौतिमाश्यात् आरभ्य तदादिर्वेदाख्य ब्रह्ममूल पर्यंतो अयं वंशः पर्वणः पर्वणो भिद्यते इति संबंधः। वंशः पर्वणः पर्वणो भिद्यते। सो व्हाट इज दैट? he says starting from पौतिमाश्य, पौतिमाश्यात् आरभ्य तद आदिर वेदाख्य, वेदाख्य वेद मीन्स हियर ब्रह्ममूल, ब्रह्मा जी, वेदाख्य ब्रह्ममूल पर्यंत. So the latest student was Pautimashya and the earliest is Brahma. In this way the Vamsha lineage is given. तद्वत् अग्रात प्रवृत्त्या मूल प्राप्तेः अयं वंशः. अग्रात प्रवृत्त्या मूल प्राप्तेः. So starting from Pautimashya up to Moola means Brahmaji is this Vamsha. वंश शब्देन निष्पन्नम अर्थमाह अध्याय चतुष्टयस्य आचार्य परंपरा क्रमो वंश इत्युच्यते. अध्याय चतुष्टयस्य आचार्य परंपरा क्रम. अध्याय चतुष्टय मीन्स 2 earlier and these 2, all 4 chapters. आचार्य परंपरा क्रमो वंश इत्युच्यते. In that somebody will ask who is guru and who is shishya. तत्र प्रथमान्तः शिष्यः पंचम्यन्तः आचार्यः. That which is in prathama vibhakti is shishya, that which is in panchami is acharya. So in tika that is what is put as a question. अथात्र शिष्याचार्य वाचक शब्दा भावे कुतो व्यवस्था इति तत्र. Who is shishya, who is acharya? So prathamaanta is shishya, panchamyanta is acharya. Okay, now you see the mantra. So mantra I will chant and explain. There is not much to explain at the same time. Atha vamshaha Pautimashyo Gaupavanat. Who is the acharya here? Gaupavana, because it is in Panchami. Gaupavanaha Pautimashyat. This is different Pautimashya. Huh? Not that Pautimashya studied from Gaupavana, Gaupavana studied from same Pautimashya. No, this is his guru. Gaupavana's guru's name is Pautimashya. Pautimashyo Gaupavanat. Then that Pautimashya studied from his guru, whose name was Gaupavana. Gaupavanaha Kaushikat. Now it is clear, right? How the Guru Shishya goes. Somewhere there are 2 gurus. Gaupavanaha Kaushikat, Kaushikaha Kaundinyat, Kaundinyaha Shandilyat, Shandilyaha Kaushikacha, Gautamacha. Now you see Shandilya has 2 gurus, Kaushika and this is how all the Gotras come. Like they will ask, what is your Gotra? He says Shandilya Gotra, Kaushika Gotra, Gautama Gotra. All of them are, and they are Brahma Vidya Gotras, all these. More are also given there. Gautamaha, now Gautamaha, then Agniveshyat. So Gautama is the Shishya. Agniveshya is Guru. Agniveshya Shandilyacha Anabhimlatacha. So now 2. Shandilyacha Anabhimlatacha. Anabhimlat, Anabhimlatat. Anabhimlata's guru is Anabhimlata. Anabhimlatat, Anabhimlata, Anabhimlatat. His guru's name was also Anabhimlata. Anabhimlato Gautamat, Gautamaha, Saitava Prachina Yogyabhyam. Gautama studied from two gurus, Saitava and Prachina Yogya. Gautamaha, Saitava Prachina Yogyabhyam. What is the vibhakti there? Panchami. Saitava Prachina Yogyau. See, two are there. Saitava Prachina Yogyau Parasharyat from Parasharya. Parasharyo Bharadwajat. Bharadwajo Bharadwajat. Cha Gautamacha. Bharadwaj Rishi had two gurus, Bharadwaja and Gautama. Gautamo Bharadwajat. Bharadwajah Parasharyat. So there are many Parasharya. There are many Gautama. There is many Bharadwaja, Shandilya. Their same names could be many in many places. Like this other name, Mandan Mishra. Mandan Mishra, there are many Mandan Mishras. One Mandan Mishra, Sureshwaracharya's name is Mandan Mishra. Mandan Mishra also, some other Upasaka in Vedanta Matab who wanted Upasana as primary, that his name is also Mandan Mishra. Gautamo Bharadwajat, Bharadwajah Parasharyat, Parasharyo Vaijavapayanat, Vaijavapayanah Kaushikayanehe, Kaushikayanihi, Dhrita Kaushikat. So you have to connect, Dhrauta Kaushikayanihi is the Shishya. Dhrita Kaushikayana, Dhrita Kaushika is Guru. Dhrita Kaushikaha Parasharyayanat, Parasharyayanah, Parasharyat, Parasharyo Jatu Karnyat, Jatu Karnya Asurayanacha, Yaskacha. Asurayana is also name of Acharya. Jatu Karnya's gurus were two Acharya, Asurayana and Yaska, Yaskacha. Asurayana's Traivanehe, Traivanihi, Aupajandhane, he, Aupajandhanihi, Asurehe, Asurihi, Bharadwajat, Bharadwaja, Atreyat, Atreyo, Mantehe, Mantir, Gautamat, Gautamo, Gautamat, Gautamo, Vatsyat, Vatsyat, Vatsyah, Shandilyat, Shandilyah, Kaishoryat, Kapyat. Shandilya Rishi had two, Kaishorya and Kapya. Kaishorya, Kapya, Kumaraha Ritat, Kumaraha Rito Galavat, Galavo Vidarbhi Kaundinyat, Vidarbhi Kaundinyo, Vatsa Pato, Babhravat, Vatsana Pato, Babhravat, Vatsanapat, Babhravah, Pathaha, Saubharat, Panthaha, Saubharo, Ayasyad, Angirasat, Ayasya Angirasa, Abhutes, Twashtrat, Abhutis Twashtro, Vishwarupat, Twashtrat, Vishwarupas, Twashtro, Ashvibhyam, Ashvinau, Dadicha. This we already saw. Atharvanat, Dadyangatharvano, Atharvano, Daivat, Atharva, Daivo, Mrutyoho, Pradvamsanan, Mrutyuhu, Pradvamsanah, Pradvamsanat, Pradvamsana, Ekarshe, Ekarshir, Viprachitehe, Viprachitir, Vyashter, Vyashtihi, Sanaroho, Sanaruhu, Sanatanat, Sanatanah, Sanagat, Sanagah, Parameshthinaha, Parameshthi, Brahmano, Brahma Swayambhu, Brahmane Namaha. Tika. परमेष्ठी मीन्स विराट. भाष्य परमेष्ठी. टीका परमेष्ठी ब्रह्म शब्दयोः एकार्थत्वम् आशंक्याः. परमेष्ठी and Brahma, so you know, Parmeshthi means Virat. Brahma means Hiranyagarbha. Brahmano Hiranyagarbhat. Brahmana is Panchami. टीका कुतस्तर्हि ब्रह्मणो विद्या प्राप्ति ही. How did Brahmaji get Vidya? Swayambhu. ततः परमाचार्य परंपरा नास्ति. ततः परम आचार्य परंपरा is not. After that there is no acharya parampara. Everything stops at Brahmaji. Why? See टीका. स्वयं प्रतिभात वेदो हिरण्यगर्भो न आचार्यांतरम अपेक्षते. Is Hiranyagarbha means in this janma, like we saw earlier, in the Purva janma he studied everything, and then in this janma, first moment he gets this Bhaya, etc. Second moment Brahma Jnana. Then Hiranyagarbha is all in action. Everything is said. So is Swayam Pratibhata Veda. Na Acharyantaram Apekshate. Ishvaranugrahitasya tasya buddhau आविर्भूतात् वेदात् एव विद्या लाभ संभवात् इत्यर्थः. ईश्वरानुग्रहीतस्य तस्य बुद्धौ आविर्भूतात् वेदात्. In his buddhi, the Veda will become manifest. And buddhi is so pure, whatever is said, immediately he understands, I am Brahma. There is no sankalpa vikalpa, there is no viparyaya, etc. So much dharma anushtanam is done for such a long time. And therefore, Vedadeva Vidya Labha Sambhavat. From Veda alone, Vidya means not through Acharya. Utastarhi Vedo Jayate. Okay, then where does Veda come from? Tatraha Yat Punar Brahma Tan Nityam Swayambhu. Brahma means Veda. Swayambhu. Tasmai Brahmane Swayambhuve Namaha. To that Brahma, to the Veda, Swayambhuve Namaha. In Tika, at Tippani, there is something. Okay, let us finish Tika first. Parasyaiva Brahmano Veda Rupena Avasthanat. Parabrahma alone is present, expressing as Veda. And therefore, Veda is Nitya. Nityatvat na hetu apeksha ityartha. Now, Upanishad is doing Mangalacharanam at the end. And Bhashyakar also mentions that Adavante cha Krita Mangala Granthaha Pracharino Bhavanti iti Dyotaitum Ante Brahmane Namaha iti Ukta. That Grantha which in the beginning and end, if there is Mangalacharanam, Krita Mangalaha, Kritam Mangalam Yesham te Krita Mangalaha. Yesham te Krita Mangalaha Granthaha Pracharino Bhavanti. Yasmin. Yeshu. In whom this Mangalam is done, then their prachara will happen. Therefore, Brahmane Nama iti Uktam. Then Tasmai Brahmane Swayambhuve Namaha. Tippani is there, one number. Swayambhuve Namaha. Veda Rupena Avasthitaya Brahmane Namaha. Brahma who is in the form of Veda. Vang Mana Kaya Kritaha Prahvi Bhavo Astu Ityatha. I, with my body, mind and speech, I surrender to that Brahma. Vedatmane Shreyorthibihi Tridhapi Namo Bhakti Shraddhabhyam Sada Karyam iti Suchyate. The one who is seeking moksha, he is called Shreyorthi. What he should do? Vedatmane, to Paramatma who is Veda Rupa, he should do namaskar with Shraddha and Bhakti. Bhakti Shraddha Bhyam or Shraddha Bhakti Bhyam. Sada Namaha Karyam. इति सूच्यते। तद् अनेन अध्यायेन ब्रह्मविद्या सूत्रम ब्राह्मण पंचकेन प्रपंचितम। In the first 5 brahmanas, Brahma Vidya Sutra. What is Brahma Vidya Sutra? Atmetyavapasita. That is, this Vistara is done. Prapanchitam. विद्या विषयस्य मधुकाण्डस्य पुंबुद्धि उत्प्रेक्षितत्व शंका अपि निराकृता भवति। विद्या विषयस्य मधुकाण्डस्य पुंबुद्धि उत्प्रेक्षितत्व, उत्प्रेक्षित means kalpana, is it projection, somebody you are just thinking. विद्या विषयस्य मधुकाण्डस्य पुंबुद्धि उत्प्रेक्षितत्व शंका is निराकृता. Why? Because this is not paurusha, this is apaurusha. उत्प्रेक्षित is उत्प्रे, you make it pre, उत्प्रेक्षित रेफा निराकृता भवति. How it is nirakrita bhavati? Brahma Mula Vamsha Brahmanena. Because it is said, this is not something that we started. This has started from Brahmaji. And here is the lineage. In this way, Bhashya, Tika, Tippani up to Dvitiya Adhyaya is complete. Om Tat Sat. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।